Hello everyone, Jesse here with JPH Equipment. I'm going to give you an inside view here of this custom lube truck. Completely oil field ready, off-road capable. Click on the link to view the photos and view the specs. But as you can see, this thing is neatly put together. Only 180,000 kilometers. Very, very nice truck. You won't find anything else like it. It's a complete custom build. About 450 grand went into this build. So let's see if we can make a deal for someone here that needs something like this. Get it working on your job sites. No expenses spared really here. Very nice unit. Call me at 780-952-5620.